We've been boondocking in Zion, right outside of Zion, for just about 14 days, and our front black tank is full. So instead of hooking up and towing our rig down the street to dump our tank, we're going to use our waste caddy and our macerator pump it into the back of the truck, take it to the dump station. Alright, so this is everything you're going to need. The waste caddy to put in the back of the truck, a garden hose, extra garden hose, make sure it's not your drinking water one. This one is literally just for this whole situation. Biggest thing everyone forgets is to bring your clinky hose to the dump station, because now you won't have your RV with you. And then of course, here is your macerator pump. So with our macerator pump, we also made an extension for the 12 volt because of our solar system is 24. We did run it up to our front battery bank. Every rig is going to be different. And also, since we do have two black tanks, we made it long enough to reach from the front all the way to the back. All right, now that we're under here, you hook up your macerator as if it was your normal slinky hose, then hook up the garden hose, and then your power source. And also make sure your on and off switch somewhere you can locate, and we'll put that back out over there so we can turn it on and off when we need to. Alright, and again, I did make an extension for this pump. This is a flow jet from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. I did have to extend this just because it only comes with like maybe 2 feet of wire, and that's not going to help me at all because of where our black tank is versus where our battery is. When you do this, definitely want to go with thicker wire. I've done this a while ago, so I think I probably did like 6 gauge wire just because of the reach it has to go to get to that back, the kids' black tank. For today, we're just dumping the main toilet, which is ours, up where the shower is, which is the middle one. So it's kind of close, so we're not going to use all of the extension. But again, when you set this up for the first time, wire it to reach the farthest tank possible. When putting your tote into the back of your truck, make sure that the outside is facing towards the out. So when you get to the dump station, the opening facing the wrong way. Or even start filling it, put it where you want it to be, because once this thing is filled, this is a 35 gallon, you're not gonna be able to move it around. Also, right now, what I would do is grab the sewer hose and just put it in the bed now so you don't forget it. But now that you have your tank in the bed, you have the hose from the macerator pump, what I like to do is put it in between the wheel. What that does is, just in case you kick it or anything, it's gonna get stopped on this wheel and not get ripped out of this tank and shoot everywhere. Get in there. Then all you have to do is open up your black tank and hit the button on the macerator pump. Alright, that's it. Let it fill up, keep your eye on it, and once it's filled up, shut it off before, of course, it overflows. Good little tip, as soon as you see the tank get, at least a quarter of the way to the top, what I'll do is I'll shut the black tank and then open up our gray and kind of flush through fresh water, just as if you were up to full hookup and you're flushing your black tank. Once it runs out, you open the gray to clean out that hose. Same concept. Only difference now is that there's a garden hose versus that big, slinky hose. So what I'll do now is unhook it from the macerator pump, reel the hose all up, and take that to the actual dump station and use that hose to flush out the tank after we get it all empty. And then you kind of do 2 things at once. You're cleaning out that garden hose, and then also you're cleaning out your tank as well, so you're getting everything done at once. Alright, let's go to the dump station. Alright, if you've never been to a dump station, it's pretty straightforward. Dump tank is right there, water's over the other side, and now you just empty that tank as if it was full hookups on your rig. Alright, while that's dumping out, remember I said to bring this hose. Now we're going to flush this hose out as well. After flushing this out, we'll put it in the tank and kind of clean the tank out and then clean out our hose. And we're good to go. Put it all back away in the rig. Oh, there goes that hose. All right, well, I guess we'll just shove it in the tank anyway and just flush everything out. this video helped you out at all, or any other questions about this setup, leave a comment below, thumbs up, and share this with someone else that you may think would need to know how to dump your tanks when you're out boondocking, or if you don't have full hookups.